What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Wix website. So if you have a website on Wix and want to transfer it to someone else or even to a different account, you can easily do that. To achieve this, click the three dots on the upper right hand side. You will find site actions once you hover over it. And from here, you'll click transfer site. In this section here, you want to enter email address and you can choose what you describe them as. So that could be a client, you could be an agency, it could be just be someone else, right? Doesn't matter. So I'm going to choose someone else. Then click on next. From here, you can see if you want to keep your role as a co-owner of the site. This is checked by default, but it's really up to you. And you can leave it on or uncheck it, or you can just go ahead and just say create a copy of the site and keep it in my account. You can choose that as well. This is also safe if you want to like have a backup just in case of anything. You can always go back and modify, tweak, and so forth. But it's not a mandatory step. It's just like for security, right? But it's really up to you. Now from here, once you do that, you click on next. And from here, you will see that, both things are checked and then you want to go ahead. It says, I confirm and understand that when I transfer this site to XYZ, the user will be the owner of the site, right? Including all the data and media and third-party services and accounts. So just keep that in mind. And so once you do that, you go ahead and you click transfer ownership, and that's pretty much it. You go ahead and proceed, and this is how you can transfer the ownership of a website on Wix. That's all. Very easy and very simple.